I am here at 1309 Kent Drive here in Lancaster in the beautiful neighborhood of Forest Hills. And we are at this gorgeous home today. This home has 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, just over 2,000 square feet. If you get a contract in on this property before February 21st, you'll be able to pick out your paint for the walls and also your carpet for the bedrooms. But then after that, the seller will be coming in, having all the popcorn ceilings removed, the walls painted, and carpet placed in the bedrooms. This is Finette Waldrop with the Snipes team.
Honey. Honey.